Good evening, athletes. I would like to thank you all, especially for having me here today. And it's a very, I'd say, a very welcome and promising sight to see. Like the president has said earlier, mountain biking does really have a great potential for the people of our state. Frankly speaking, I would say for our state, or athlete from our state representing when it comes to cycling, I think there's a higher probability of someone from our state representing India in the Olympics rather than all the other common sports, I would say. So it's what I say is promising. I see the energy that comes from each and every one of you. I've known Jan quite some time now, and we've had a lot of talks on how cycling has really taken everyone by surprise here. So my encourages sport. So whenever it's it involves a lot of activities. If you just want to cycle for your enjoyment, it's a different thing. But when you want to cycle to compete, it's a completely different event altogether. So in order for you to succeed, like he always said, the president said that when you went to Pune, you see the professionalism among the cyclists. He's correct about when he says about diet, about how you live your life. But I would say strength and conditioning is very important when it comes to physical activities, especially when you want to compete at a higher level. Strength and conditioning is the utmost importance that you have to give preference to. It's just not cycling every day, but what you do in the gym with respect to your respective sport will help you become a better athlete. So I just want to encourage you. There is nothing that can stop you from achieving your dreams. It's only you yourself that will stop yourself. So there's no mountain high enough for you to climb. I only wish you the best, and God bless you. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We'll start. May I request Madam Wansuk to come here and give away the prizes? I know, Madam, it's raining. Please bear with us.
Women, bronze medal.
Bronze medal, I don't risk life.
Yeah.
Silver medal, only
Thank you, boys.
Bronze goes to Anissa P. Longtree. Silver goes to Antarikya Datta. And the gold goes to
Exit.
bronze goes to women's development. Silver, young Champagne. And the gold goes to Picture Young Light.
It's been a quite suspense this downhill full success. I'll give this honor to our hard-working Jason, our General Secretary.
Okay, so the bronze goes to Upshine Griffith Young Team.
Nicholas Paul.
Silver goes to Nathan Suyang. And the gold goes to Ruben Karshati.
Thank you guys. This is Elite XC9.
One goes to Delta Royal. Silver goes to Matchapan 400. And the gold goes to Kevin John Pillai.
Thank you, sir. Give them a big cheer. Hip hop! Hooray! Hip hop! Requesting all medal winners to come to the podium for group photos with our VIPs. All medal winners